right, it's time to go to Florida. We're going to Florida. We got a 14-hour drive there, a 14-hour back. We got a 28-hour drive in the span of 2 days. We're gonna go see Phil Wickham. He's one of my favorite singers, probably my most favorite singer. Let's get on the road. I'm getting ready for this. I'm getting hyped, I'm getting lit, I'm getting pumped. Let's go! All right, here we go. So we're about 2 hours in. I'm a little tired, to be honest. I've got an energy drink and I'm gonna review it for y'all. It's a Bang, weird flavor, man. It's a key lime pop. I'm gonna give a shout out to Ryan Turner. Ryan was there on the Austin, Texas trip on the Travel Vlog 1. He reviews energy drinks on his Snapchat. I can leave that down below as well, as I review sweet teas on my Snapchat. So here we go. There's lots of flavor. There's like 3 different tastes that's going on at once. That was terrible. I will never get that again. Sorry, Bang, key lime pie, Bang. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Let's get back on the road. We just made it to Mississippi. That was it. Nothing too exciting. Still a little kid or what? Because I don't know about you, but when I went through that tunnel, I got really excited. I don't think this place has enough pumps. It stretches as far as the eye can see. I thought Buccees was just a Texas thing. Turns out they got Buccees in Alabama. Some chopped sausage. Looks pretty good. It smells good. Chopped sausage sandwich going in. Wow. This was absolutely amazing. This sandwich, I'd give the sandwich a 9. Let's get on the road. We just entered Florida. That dude's on fire. Okay, I don't think that's a person. I don't think so. Did y'all see that? What the heck did I just see? I've never seen a car just set up flames like that. Ooh, we are about 6 hours away. Been driving for about 8 hours now. I'm about half a tank in. I'm just gonna top off every single time I stop. So this will be my 3rd time to fill up. I've been saying this for the past 5 minutes. It just, I don't want to leave and like go to another one and then it finally say, okay, it works. And then like someone just gets some free gas. I mean, I guess if someone did it, I mean, I guess they obviously needed it more than I did. I'll just pop in that spot right there. All right, let's see if this one will actually work. And you've got to be kidding me right now. I thought a nice pilot like this would have better systems. Let's go to this one. You've got to be kidding me. Please don't tell me. Third time. Right here. We'll go forward. Please. Hey, there we go. Oh, there's no, you're gonna make me sit here and hold this thing. Oh. I'm broke, so I gotta get every last ounce. Literally only have 4 more hours. I drove 14 hours there. I'm going to write a paper, hang out in Florida, and go to Phil Wickham Concert, and then drive 14 hours back. Like, that's crazy, man. This is an experience, bro. This is an experience. This is what I want. Enjoy life, man. Life is good. Life is refreshing. Right here, come on. He's not. 2 o'clock in the morning, he's giving me a FaceTime call. That's how you know he's a real one. We made it to a rest area right now. I'm gonna go use the bathroom, come back, and get some sleep. Alrighty, good morning. This is the 4th, and most definitely not the last time to top off. Not even gonna lie, I was supposed to write a paper and I didn't. Instead, I took a nap. I fell asleep, which is good. I needed some more sleep. I was tired. I was really exhausted. You can tell I'm dead, can't you? Oh man, I'm tired, dude. Mask up. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. I'll probably have you help me out a bit. That's all right. Okay, great. Trying to see what you recommend.
I would definitely recommend one of the items on the back. one of the house specialties right here. The seafood mac and cheese is definitely a choice.
Okay.
That one I tell everybody to go for it.
So we've got the seafood mac and cheese. That's what the waiter recommended. It's got shrimp, cheese. It looks very appetizing. It comes out in a pretty big bowl, but it's not that deep, so it's not too much.
How's everything here? So good?
You aren't kidding. This is good.
All right.
This is really good. Yeah. A lot of cheese. An abundance of cheese is what I'm talking about. Shrimp's good. It's actually a pretty good combo. I will say this, it's not enough food. This macaroni and cheese is better than macaroni and cheese your mama makes. I promise. I would probably rate this meal at 8.9. He snagged that.
That one. We took it at chocolate. Sorry guys, that's it.
Key lime pie. I once got pied in the face by one of these. I think this requires a very particular taste. I just don't have that taste. If you like key lime pie, I'm sure you would love this.
Is there any website or YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Where is it at?
I can get you hooked up. I'm gonna put my tip on here.
Oh yeah, if you want, go ahead and put it on there too.
All right, sounds good.
Take care.
Yeah, thank you too. Hey, thank y'all so much. Hey, yeah, that was awesome.
See you down in Delray, man.
That would be cool. That would be cool.
Yeah, check it out.
You got my YouTube channel, so you can comment, and I'll know who you are. You know?
I will. Hopefully I'll see that video. That'd be nice.
Yeah, sounds good.
Hey, good.
All right, take care. Thank you very much. My waiter here, extremely good, extremely kind, very helpful. I'll give the waiter a 10 out of 10. So we're here at the beach. We got a little bit of time just to go and get in the water a little bit, maybe fly the drone, and I'm gonna get ready to go to the Phil Wickham Concert. So let's get going. Be a kid. Come on. Oh, it's cold. All right, these waves get big now. This one's over my head. right, we ready? Time to go to Phil Wickham Concert. We're here at the Phil Wickham Concert. Let's go.
VIPs, very important people right here. So I'm Phil, and if you didn't know, I'm singing tonight, and I'm excited. This is my first weekend of events since February. Yes, right here.
So I'm not one of the weird fans, but I drove 14 hours to come here tonight.
Yeah, where'd you drive from?
I'm from Texas, Southeast Texas, but I drove from my college in Louisiana. For copyright purposes, I could not play his music in this video, but later on, I may post a concert video where I will keep the audio in, so stay tuned for that.
As you go back to your workplaces, or your homes, or your friendships, as you get into the holiday season, and you see some family members that you're excited about seeing, or maybe not so excited about seeing, I don't know. May you be so full of Jesus that you affect the whole atmosphere everywhere you go. God bless you guys. I hope next time I come to this area of Florida, we can hang out again. And let's sing. Here we go. God bless you guys. See you later.
That concert was worth everything. That concert was worth the 14-hour drive. Phil Wickham is more than a worship leader. Phil Wickham is an evangelist. I've never been to one of Phil Wickham's concerts where the gospel was not presented, but Phil Wickham presents the gospel. And it is evident, and it is clear. It doesn't matter when you were saved, whether you were saved recently or you were saved a long time ago. The gospel should still be breaking down walls in your life. The realization that you are still a sinner. That even after you got saved, you are still a sinner. And to understand that, to then look on the perspective that God still loves you, He still forgives you, He still gives you grace. That should break you. That should motivate you. That your heart shouldn't be hardened, but it should be soft and sensitive to that truth that God, you love me even when I don't deserve it. That God, I still have sinned even after you saved me. All right, now it's time to start driving 14 hours. And I'm kidding. I'm gonna drive for as long as I can, and then I'm gonna get a hotel, and then I'm gonna wake up early in the morning, write my paper because I still haven't done that, and it's due tomorrow. And then after I finish my paper, I'll get on the road. I did vlog the 14-hour drive back home, but for time purposes, because I do value your time, I chose to cut this portion of the video. It gets really long and begins to drag, but I did finish writing my paper before it was due. I just finished my paper. Now it's time to get back on the road. And I made it safely back to Louisiana College after the long 14-hour drive. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, and every comment helps. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you next time.